File sharing. Right click, desktop, the new, choose folder, rename the folder, last name, Arellano, enter, double click the folder, open. Choose text document, double click text document, then type full name, Francis Oliver. The X. Do you want to save the change? Yes. X the folder. Right click folder. Go to sharing security. Check the share this folder on the network and allow network users to change my files. Then apply. Yeah. Okay.